Hi, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. In today's SQL Accounting System tutorial, I'll talk about customer invoice. Let's go to SQL. In SQL, there's 6 main modules: GL, customer, supplier. This is called accounting module. Sales, purchase, stock is considered billing. Any transactions that involve quantity, stock, or service is at the bottom. If you key in sales invoice over here, it will reduce your stock quantity, but at the same time, it will actually post to customer invoice as well. So if you ask me, what's the difference between sales invoice and customer invoice? The only difference is sales invoice will impact to your stock control. Customer invoice will not. What you need to do is, if you do billing to your customer, you need to print out the invoice. You should key under sales invoice, not customer, okay? Because it will post towards to customer invoice. If you are using a post system to do billing, or you use Excel or any other method to bill to your customer, SQL only for accounting purpose to key in the entry, then you can directly key under customer invoice. So let's go to customer invoice. So you can see a listing of all the invoice available. If over here, if you click on the particular invoice, and this invoice there's no more outstanding, you can see the bottom part is the payment history. So how this invoice have been paid is paid by this official receipt and this official receipt with this amount. So that's why over customer invoice, you are able to see this outstanding information, payment information, but not in sales invoice. Okay, the method is different. Now, let's say you want to search for a previous invoice that you created. You can use different criteria to search. Example, if you can remember the invoice number, you just type the invoice number will do. If you cannot remember, if you want to search by using the name, or if the criteria is not over here, you can right click any column title, field chooser, drag out the field. Example, area, just drag, drop. Then you can use area to search. If no one, just drag the area back to the field chooser, or right click the title, remove this column. At the most left hand side of a report column title, you can see this is all the available field. You can click on here, let's say area, will also appear. Untick, it will disappear. So this is how you search for a particular invoice. To create an invoice, just click on new, then you can select customer by typing in their name. If when you type the name does not appear, meaning that your focus of searching is not at company name, now it's at company name too. So what you need to do is click on the tab key on your keyboard, tab, it will jump to another column, tab, tab, it will go back to company name. Just type the company name. So you can see that at this sections is no longer select item, it's select the sales account or select account. So what you need to do in SQL, I always emphasize you do not require to memorize all the account code, customer code, supplier code, or item code. You can use the descriptions or the name. So over here I have few sales account. Then what I need to do is I just type the name, it will appear. If you used to use account code, then no problem. Remember, tap one time on your keyboard, tab key, then you will jump to do searching. So I'd like to use the description. I select this sales account, then key in the amount. If you need to use text, then you need to make use of this. If not, then you just remove all this not related column. So it makes it more easier for you to see, and click on save. If you want to add more account, just click on the plus sign, then maybe you want to enter another into this. Okay, so invoice number automatic, date, agent, terms automatic, but you can change it accordingly if you want to. So at the left hand side, you can have more things to key in, maybe do an attachment or put in some notes. Save it, then preview. Normally, we will not use customer invoice to print out to give to customer because it's account, so it's not meaningful to your customer. So this is only for, normally it's only for internal keeping or record only. So this is how you create a customer invoice in SQL Accounting System. So once again, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. Thank you for watching.